Hi po, ako po si Maring Pikay. Come and join me around sa aking trabaho, kain, at gala. Hi po mga mare, ito na po ang part 2 ng London Gala ko po. Papakita ko po sa inyo rito lahat kung saan ako nagpunta, itong part 2 na to. Hindi na po ako masyado magsasalita para makita at mapansin nyo po ng buo yung aking pasyal. Salamat po!
Hi. Can I have one cappuccino, please? One cappuccino, please.
What size you want, ma'am?
Tall.
Tall.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here you go, ladies, for you. All right. Now watch this. Ball number 3 is the most
magic,
difficult.
madam, magic.
Now you all know what to expect. You got to spin, you got to tap.
Oh,
You can see
Pokemon.
both sides. All right, you're
Pokemon.
staring me down like an immigrations officer. You're making me nervous. Look, you got to give it.
Bara på 3 drinkar. Ja. Men då är de ju goda. De är ju så goda, men liksom... Jag var lite irriterad. Man hade inte
So you have fruit sauce with raisins in apple, and you have like plain ones. And then for the jams, you have here the strawberry, raspberry, clotted cream, apricot, vanilla rhubarb, and also another clotted cream.
Would it be possible to try one?
Yeah, of course.
What are these?
Chocolate and cream baklava. So it's a Middle East dessert.
Chocolate and what?
Chocolate and cream baklava.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Well, the packing one is
No.
alcohol.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, thank you. Alcohol free, right?
alcohol. Okay, thank you so much.
Dito naman mga mare, ay babalik na tayo sa The Landmark Hotel, kung saan dyan kami nag-stay habang nandito kami sa London.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Ito naman po sa video na to, pagkapasok namin sa loob ng hotel room, ay kumain kagad kami ng sushi dahil nag-dinner na kagad kami. Hanggang dito na lang po mga mare, sa susunod na naman po muli. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood.